Let's get some chai. Chai's everywhere here in India. Cheers. My Uber driver. Oh wow. It's super hot, super milky. Let's go, let's go. Airport time. What's up guys? David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in Jorhat, Assam, India. It's my last morning. Man, it's been an amazing ride with this guy, with Rishi. We've been exploring Jorhat and the area for like 4 days. Yes. Jorhat, Majuli, Sivisagar, and then up here to the gibbons in Mariani.
Yeah.
Amazing. It's so different up here in Upper Assam, and the food is completely different. It's like, there's a lot more fish, pork, what else? Duck, pigeon. I mean, it's so different from the rest of India. Northeast is very like that. I mean, it's super diverse. And then people-wise, super friendly people. The only thing is getting around here, you definitely need to get on a scooter, or there's no Uber. That's why I'm mentioning this. No Uber.
No Uber.
So either that or you hire a driver. That's what we did. I hired a driver for 3 days. The best way to, you know, be efficient here. He's with you all day. He takes you everywhere. And yeah, I mean, I've had a great time.
And he doesn't even complain.
Who, the driver?
Yeah, the driver doesn't complain.
He doesn't complain ever.
Yeah.
Thank God. So right now I'm headed to the airport. I'm going to the airport and I'm flying with Indigo. It's an hour and a half flight to Kolkata. I'm going to be in Kolkata basically for like 12 hours before my next flight. I'm super excited, but I can't wait to get to Kolkata. Kolkata has amazing food. So we're going to go right now to Kolkata. You guys ready? Let's go. We're trying, whoa! We're trying to get to the airport. We're like super late and we got sort of stuck because they closed the road on us and we had to go through this tiny little path. And we're still trying to get through this tea garden. My God, this tea plantation.
Driver is shaking.
He's like zooming through everything, dude. Oh my God. Wow, so unexpected. I ran into a subscriber here, his friend. She brought me a gamusa and I was recording. I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording. I'm so sorry, my God. That sucks. I really wanted to record that.
You mentioned a name.
What's your name?
Tasneem Hajarika.
Tasneem Hajarika. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Let's do it.
Huh? Yeah, let's do it fast.
Made it to the airport. Let's go. Have to get going. Quick photos. And gotta board that plane.
Oh, there are also.
They're helping me with the bags and my couriers. Thank you. Today we're flying from Jorhat to Kolkata with Indigo Airlines. I've flown Indigo a few times before. I think I flew it twice on the last trip here in India. It's a great airline. You know, it's affordable. The ticket cost me $60 US. It's an hour and a half flight. It's the easiest way for me to get from Jorhat to Kolkata to catch my flight to Qatar. And you know, I was thinking maybe going back to Guwahati if there wasn't a flight here, and that would take me like, something like 5 hours driving and then catch a flight. So thank God there's a flight. There's one flight a day with Indigo Airlines to Kolkata, which is like perfect. That's why I flew through Kolkata to get to northeastern India. Just a lot easier to fly through there and then connect to these areas, right? And yeah, my bag was overweight again, 23 kilos. It's 15 kilos on Indigo. So, you know, I had to pay 2,800. I think that was like almost 40 bucks, but I bought a lot of stuff. I bought like a lot of rhinos. My thing was really, really heavy. Luckily on the flight from Qatar to Miami, it's 23 kilos. It's like standard, so I'm not gonna get charged there. And as you can see, this airport is, it's tiny. One gate, one flight per day. That's it. Thank God I bought my ticket early. I was nervous because I was like, damn, if I didn't get my ticket early and there's only one flight per day, I might not really get home. But yeah, thank God. Again, the only other option was driving back to Guwahati. No way, no way. We should be boarding soon. I can't wait to get to Kolkata and eat some food. I cannot wait. Kolkata food is so good. Let's go to the plane. How you doing?
Fine,
Very
how
good.
are you?
Very good. Tired. Thank you so much. There we go. That was a little crazy with security there. Indigo Airline. Hello, hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
Yes, that would be 15th row, window seat
15.
available.
Thank you, thank you.
Good afternoon.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Here we are, 15F. Wow. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good.
Sorry?
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes.
Yes? You can follow me there.
Okay.
Here we are, 15F. Window seat. Let's spray. Luckily, I'm not super tight in here, as you can see. Some space here, leg room. It's a 1.5 hour flight. I need to sleep a little bit.
इस विमान में 8 आपातकालीन द्वार हैं, 2 सामने, 2 पीछे और 4 विंग्स के ऊपर। आपात स्थिति में फर्श पर लगी फ्लोरेसेंस स्ट्रिप्स की सहायता।
So I just woke up after a 1 hour nap. The flight's been super smooth. We're almost there. It's only like a 80-minute flight, so really short from Jorhat to Kolkata. It's my second time here in like 4 months. I was here in November with Sam. We did 4 incredible days in Kolkata. Super excited. I only have like 12 hours, but it's all good. That's all I really need. I've already done the city. I'm just gonna go do like 2 or 3 things and then go straight back to the airport. It takes about an hour to get inside Kolkata from the airport, and luckily there's Uber. So as soon as we land, we have to get our bags and call Uber. That's it, we made it. We arrived. A320 Indigo airline. 33. Bye. Oh, it's hot. Hot in Kolkata. Like 95 degrees right now. Gotta squeeze in here like a sardine. Everybody's fighting to get in. Fighting. I'm gonna stay right here.
सुभाष चंद्र बोस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। इंडिगो की ओर से हम आपका धन्यवाद करते हैं और आपसे फिर मिलने की आशा करते हैं।
Getting in that bus was pretty hectic. I don't know how everybody, like, no one lets anybody pass. Just, like, jump in. Yeah, take a selfie. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Yeah, selfie game is everywhere here in India. Everybody's asking me for a selfie like all the time. So right now we are in the City of Joy. City of Joy, we have to get our bags and then we have to get an Uber, and that's a 1 hour drive. 1 hour to get into the city. And you know, if I didn't have such a big layover, I would just stay here at the airport, but I have a 12-hour layover. All the bags are coming out. Let's get them. Let's get them. Bags, check. Calling Uber right now. Let's get out of this airport. That was a long wait. It was actually like a 15-minute wait. It is 3 on the dot. Once you get outside, get on the Uber app. Hotel Galaxy is where I'm going. I requested Premier over Uber Go because I have so many bags, and usually the Go is like such a small car. Premier's a little bigger. It could be an SUV and it fits my bag. It's gonna take 5 minutes, right? And then it's another hour. It's not that bad of a drive actually. I mean, it's an hour, but it's really quick and it's really chaotic, and you'll see. Kolkata is an interesting place. If you guys have never been here, this is an amazing city, the capital of West Bengal. Here in Kolkata is like an Uber station, right? Right in front of 2. Right in front of 2A and 2B exits. Here's my Uber. What's up, man? How you doing? This? All right, let's go. It's funny that I requested the premium. Front. Does it fit? If it doesn't fit, we gotta move it. All right, it fits. Okay. Let's start it. Yeah, start. How long does it say? 1 hour. 48 minutes. 48 minutes is how much time it's gonna take. Well, I love the taxi cabs. The yellow ones, the British taxi cabs, really nice. So let me tell you about Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of the state of West Bengal and is located on the Hooghly River, about 47 miles west of the India-Bangladeshi border. It is nicknamed the City of Joy and known as the cultural capital of India. The city contains the country's oldest port and was developed into a fortified trading post after the East India Trading Company was granted a trading license by the Nawab of Bengal in 1690. And since then, it has become the principal cultural, commercial, and educational center in East India. Some pretty cool facts right there. Gotta thank my boy Brandon for hooking me up with that. This is such an amazing city. This was the capital of the British India, right? So the British Raj. And yeah, I mean, such a beautiful place, lots of history, colonial buildings. We got lots of good food here, so many good things to eat. I ate my heart out when I was here. You have so many delicious Bengali foods. And yeah, I mean, I like it here. This is really nice. And it is the gateway to Northeast India. So definitely have to come through here if you want to go up to where I was in Assam and Meghalaya. And I gotta say, up there is so different, so different. So beautiful, so much more relaxed. Right now, I'm just gonna enjoy Kolkata. Let's go to the hotel. I need to eat something. Hopefully I can see some chai on the way or something, some chai or some pani puri here. It's a different name, I think it's called puchka. We just entered like the heart of the city, and as you can see, it's like bustling, lots of people, trash, cows, things are wild here, super tiny street. I mean, we're just trying to get through. My friend's like, the driver's like, this is not a good area. I'm like, I mean, it's fine. The kids washing themselves right here. Man, they're making chai there. They're making some pani puri. I mean, they're making so many good foods over here. There's like some temple here, yellow temple. And yeah, I'm trying to just get some chai. I'm telling him, the next chai guy you see, let's stop, let's get some chai. I need a chai, I need to wake up. I love chai, I cannot stop drinking chai. Chai, 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 chai. Chai, chai, chai. We found somebody who's making chai. Woo. I almost stepped into a horrible puddle of shit here. Horrible. I literally almost stepped into that. No chai? Ah, finish. All right, let's keep going. We'll find a chai guy. It's nice, this area?
Nice.
Chai here?
Yes.
Chai, 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 chai. Let's get some chai. Chai's everywhere here in India. Tea.
Chai, chai.
Let's go, chai. So it's a chai adventure today, chai adventure. He puts milk, he adds like cardamom, he adds ginger. What else did he put in there? I don't know what else he put in there. He put something else in there. And then he heats it up here, and this is like a little oven, right? Like a little stove. It's hot right in there. Boom. And it's probably some of the best chai in India. What's up, bro? Everything good? We're good, we're good? Oh, I just need, give me all of it. All of it. Woo, it's hot. Not so hot. Very nice. Ginger, no? Ginger? Cheers. My Uber driver. Oh wow. It's super hot, super milky. Oh, it's so nice. It's creamy. Oh, see how hot it is? Still steaming. And he gives it to you in this mud cup. Always in a mud cup. Oh, I love how he did it here. 5 rupees. 5 rupees for the chai. Throw away? Alright guys. Thank you. No, no money, no money. He wants a picture and then he wants money. What is this? Let's get out of here. 5 rupees each. Nothing. I mean, that is so crazy. You could basically have 14 cups for $1 US. Doesn't exist in America. For me, it cost me $1 for one tiny coffee. And if I go to Starbucks, it's almost $3. All right, my friend, that was good. I owe you 5 rupees.
Good. 5 rupees, only 5.
One of the main things I love about India is how accessible it is to get food and drinks on the street. You know, everything actually, like besides that, like clothing, you know, you got all these different like snacks, you have chats, they're everywhere. They're really everywhere. You just walk outside and you find food. It's so unreal. It doesn't exist anywhere else in the world. I mean, yeah, you might get it in somewhere like Thailand where you find it, but here it's really everywhere and no one's going hungry here because food is everywhere and people are like, they have very tight family units, so people don't go hungry here. At least, you know, most people don't go hungry. You know, obviously there's a huge population that's like on the street, but that's a very different situation. But still, they get food and food is very affordable. Great chai, my friend. Amazing chai. I loved it. You liked it? The chai?
Yes, like this.
I'm headed to the Galaxy Hotel, and this hotel is located right in the Newmarket area, a really bustling area. As you can see, so many vendors, so many people. Things are hectic here. This is like crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna stay at the Hotel Galaxy. It's owned by my friend Nafpri from Front on Streets. I actually worked with her last time I was in Kolkata, so I'm gonna stay there. Basically, they're giving me a room for the 8 hours I have left here, and I'm just gonna chill. Oh, probably go eat something. Oh man, look at the food over there, the clothing, So many colors. Let's get to the hotel. We're like 1 minute away. Okay. Okay, here.
No, no.
Yeah, chai. You sure? Thank you so much. All right, we made it. I gotta walk through here. All right. Galaxy Hotel, where is it? Hopefully he just didn't leave me here and I have to walk miles with all this luggage. It's 4 p.m. now. Is the hotel here? There it is, Galaxy Hotel. I can't even believe this. Look at this lane. Look how tiny this is. Hello.
Hello.
I'm back.
Oh.
You remember me?
Yes.
How you doing?
You booking room now?
Just checked into the Galaxy Hotel in Newmarket. All right, my friend. First floor? Whew. Over there? Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, I need to lay down. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. This is my studio room at the Galaxy Hotel. As you can see, it's very small, but this is all I needed for the layover. I'm only here for like 6 hours. I might not even sleep. I'm just gonna lay down for a second and relax. Got a bed, TV, got a super clean bathroom. Love the bathroom. And then got a small closet here. And if you wanna dry some clothes, if you're washing clothes, you wanna dry clothes, just hang it up here. They'll dry really quick, especially because Kolkata is so hot right now. I had an awesome flight here, Indigo airline, really good. Thank you guys so much. I've flown them a few times, really nice. A320, it's a nice Airbus, you know, 3.3 configuration, it's perfect, smooth, loved it. I mean, and then I got here and I had an hour drive and it was a little chaotic. Love seeing how crazy Kolkata is. It's really amazing. It really is a place of sensory overload. It's something like, not like Delhi, it's a little different, but still like that, like crazy environment, people, food, things happening all the time. Really incredible. And then we had some chai, right? Chai. And then I made it here to the hotel, Hotel Galaxy in Newmarket. Definitely check it out when you come here. It's a great place to stay because you're right in the center in the city. Newmarket is bustling. I'm gonna go out there later and check it out. But for now, I'll leave you guys. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure around the world. Yeah.